Good morning.
I have to admit, I'm a hard-working person.
It is Monday, the 30th of June. Can't believe it's the last day of June already. But I just changed the water here on this field of Joe's by my house. We got it going about 7:30 this morning. It ran about 2 hours. Well, it ran 2 hours. And then we got it going on Alice's. Just a second, I gotta text the boss. Anywho, what was that? Oh yeah, we got the water going on that cornfield on Alice's. I think we got it going about 8:30. Hopefully it'll run till 12:30. We'll get it watered. 3 runs across there. Hopefully have it done in about 12 hours or so, and then Brett can take it back tonight, and then we'll take it from him early in the morning and try and decide if we want to water safflower first thing in the morning, or if we want to bring it down and water the cornfield by Jamie's house. I don't know. The safflower on that field, we got 3 runs left, but Uncle Rick said the bottom of it is starting to flower, and they say you shouldn't water it when it's flowering. I don't know why. I don't know what it does to the plant, but we'll see. We'll see what what the boss wants to do. We were thinking of watering it, just letting it go like 45 minutes to an hour just to water the top end, because the bottom, the way that field is, the bottom's had water all the way across it. So we'll see. We'll see what Jeremy's up to. He watered all night last night. In fact, I think he just left. So I don't know what the plan is for the rest of the day. I know we'll just keep the water going. Uncle Rick's over to Deweyville. He just changed that one. He's had it all night. Jeremy watered all night. I think he shut his off early this morning. But yeah, we'll go see. What did you buy?
I didn't buy anything. It's hot though.
It is damn hot. We'll have to talk about Jeremy's new purchase. He's actually had it for a couple of weeks. I just haven't had a chance to get any filming on it. Get any footage. I don't know what his plans are with it. I don't know what he wants to do with it. If he's going to fix it up and use it, fix it up and sell it. We'll see. But anywho, we just changed water on Joe's. We're on the 3rd run now. They're back to about 2.5 hours to the run. We're gonna go check Alice's. It's been going just a little over 3.5 hours. We're kind of hoping it be changed by 4 hours, which is what it took last time we watered it. And it's only been 10 days since we watered it, so it might push through a little quicker. But somebody's gonna go get lost in the corn because it is officially taller than he is. So, yeah. Holy shit, it's hot out here. This corn has gotten extremely tall. 10 days ago, it was barely up to here. Now it's well over my head in most spots. There's still a few spots out here that are a little shorter, but just out here walking through it. Make sure 4 hours will be long enough, and I am 99% sure 4 hours will be long enough. I mean, we're getting some pretty good water ponded up down in here. We'll see if I can find the other end. Oh, I don't think we'll be walking through this next time. I think it'll be tasseled by then. And after that, I ain't walking through it anymore. I ain't gonna get all itchy. Oh. Huh. Apparently, the deer have been through here. Now, there are a couple of deer that I know are staying in here. There's one really nice 4-point buck, and that is mule deer, not whitetail. They're all mule deer around here, but he is a really nice one. It is not very often you see corn bubble and can actually hear it bubbling. It is bubbling really good out here, which is funny because this corn was only watered 10 days ago. It shouldn't be hurting that bad, but on this sand, oh, whoo, looky there. Oh, we found the edge. Now, you got Alice's cornfield, and then you got Grandpa's cornfield. And believe you me right now, it's about, what is it? It is 85 degrees air temperature right now. It's probably about 110 out in that corn, and it is humid and muggy as hell. But yeah, I'm gonna say this corn's gonna be done by 4 hours. It'll be well done. Ah, crap, we got thistles growing. Have to put that on the list. Have to get the hand sprayer in here and come spray them things. But oh yeah, we're gonna be well done by 4 hours. That's good. Ooh, another 15 minutes. We're getting a good pond of water down here. And it's slick. But it doesn't hurt because, one, this ground's really sandy, and two, the neighbor's got some big trees right here, so they suck a lot of water out of the ground. All right, I'm gonna head back to the truck, head up the ditch, and wait about 5-10 minutes and start changing this. What are we doing here?
You gotta start the pipe.
What?
You gotta start the pipe. We're here on Alice's. About to change the water. Again. But this is the last run. So we're going to try to get another cool shot for you. wasn't very nice. You splashed me.
That is a hazard.
Got 2 more to go, even though there's 3. You want to stop those ones? Nope. They quit. I'm gonna get stuck here. That's a pretty steep ditch bait.
Well, the day kind of got away from me. And as you can tell, it's dark. It's actually about 10:45 right now. I just took it off this field of Joe's here by my house. We finally got done with it. I'm gonna start it here on this field of Jonathan's, but the sucky part is we ain't gonna have enough water to finish it. Our turn runs out. Let's see, what's today? Monday. Runs out at 6 o'clock in the morning, so we got 7 hours of water, and we need roughly 10. So we got a run that's gonna have to sit for probably 3 weeks. If they go 3 hours, we could dang near make it, but I highly doubt that. So I can't believe this field of Joe's, we had it going by 7:30. So what is that, 12, 13, 14, almost 14 and a half hours of water to water it. And I remember the last time I was in Cornhill, he'd go through a run in an hour and a half, and now it's taking 2.5, 3 hours. So, but I'm gonna sit here and kind of stare at the stars for a little bit. Uncle Rick's on his way up. I don't know if you guys can really see the stars through this camera or not. But, oh, I shut the lights off. Let me get them back on. I'm sitting here by the dome light, the truck. It's probably gonna take a half hour to fill this ditch. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here. It's finally starting to cool down. The bugs are out flying around. I don't know what that thing is. It just flew in the truck, but it's big. So I'm going to sign off for the night, guys. But thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll catch you in the next one.